Parents have to trust you when you have their kids. And if they walk in and your building smells like an institution and has had institutionalized spray, they're not feeling the home and the love of the club. When parents walk into our buildings, they say, wow, this is beautiful. In our facilities, we'll see anywhere from 500 to 1,000, depending on the facility, per day. And so our #1 priority was always safety. And one of the biggest steps to being safe for the kids is cleanliness. And that's where our partnership with Simple Green allows us to have that happen, because with Simple Green, we save over $100,000 a year on cleaning products, which allows us to have cleaning products in our staff's hands. So when the maintenance crew comes in the evening, they're not having to clean the tables or the light scrubbing. They can get down and do the really dirty, heavy cleaning, the disinfecting, getting us ready for that next day. Because as you know, with that many kids coming through our program, flus and colds, they spread like wildfire if you're not on top of it.
Our goal is to make sure that doorknobs, doors, walls, we think outside the box. We don't just clean the top of the tables. We think, okay, where are the kids touching? So that's why sometimes people walk in and the parents just smile. We're cleaning the walls at eye level of a child because that's where they're walking by and touching the walls. With Simple Green, I don't have any concerns of the product not working. Whether I'm working on the science experiment and I just need to wipe down the table, it's gonna take care of it. If we're in cooking class and we just finished baking something and batter got all over, I know it's gonna clean it. So we have such different activities going on throughout the club all day that Simple Green will tackle whatever we've got going on.
First thing for me when I walk into the building in the morning, I get the smell of Simple Green. I know it's clean. If I have a staff that's zamboning the gym and I walk into the gym, you can smell the Simple Green, and so you know it's clean. With our preschools, we've got children that put everything in their mouth. They're on their floor, they're with their toys.
We oversee a lot of kids coming into our building, and I never have a concern.
It's a whole, value of our organization that clean, safe, and fun. And so we teach it to the kids, we teach it to the staff, and Simple Green's been a huge part of that.